Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Srivastava and I am from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In the video lecture series of DBMS, that is Database Management System, I will cover Unit 1 in 6 videos. So, in this video, I will tell about what I'm going to cover in each video. But before going in the deep discussion, let me introduce the importance of the subject. Imagine managing the data of millions of customers in a bank or ensuring the safety of sensitive patient record in a hospital. This is where the database management system comes into play. DBMS is the backbone of modern data-driven applications, enabling efficient storage, retrieval, and security of data. In this course, you will discover how DBMS powers everything from social media to e-commerce, laying the foundation for advanced technologies and opening the door to exciting career opportunity. And DBMS have several, advantages associated with it, like efficient data management, data security and integrity, foundation for advanced technologies enabling scalability, and DBMS have a lot of career opportunities. So in unit 1, first video, I will cover the topic data and information, like overview, system architecture, and transition from file system to DBMS. I will explain the difference between data and information. I will introduce DBMS system, file system, issues with the file system, and history of DBMS. In video 2, I will talk about data models, importance of data models, types of different data models, hierarchical, network, relational, object-oriented, or object relational data models. In video 3, I will discuss about database system architecture, data independence, phases of database design, database application architecture, single tier architecture, two tier architecture, three tier architecture, along with the examples. In video 4, I will cover the topic database schema. I will make you understand like what is database schema, what is logical, conceptual, physical schema, and ER modeling, like what is entity, what is relations, what are the attributes. In video 5, I will discuss cardinality ratio, introduction to keys, and extended ER diagram oblique enhanced ER diagram. So specialization and generalization will also be discussed in video 5. Along with the aggregation, I will discuss aggregation in video 5 also. In video 6, I will discuss how to convert ER model to relational table in populated relational database. And I will show some examples. I will give you a practical example by which you can convert the ER model into relational data table. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you will get a brief knowledge about the subject. And in detail, if you want to study this subject, then you can refer these books like Korth and Nawate. These books are very important in the field of DBMS. Thank you for watching this video.